We've reached what Bruce dryly refers to as PNR, the point of no return. There is no longer enough fuel to get us back to Chile. No one says anything, but the mood in the plane changes. Public jollity turns to private contemplation. Everyone prepares themselves in their own way for what lies ahead. There are no in-flight movies to break the mood, just in-flight maps.
Rob, we've been going about 5.5 hours. Where are we now?
Right, Michael, we've come from Chile over here. Our approximate track is the inked-in line. We're now south of the Antarctic Circle. We've come past you saw the icebergs that were calved off of these ice shelves here.
Was that real coast we've flown over yet, or was that just ice shelf?
That's ice shelf extended from this island area on the west of Alexander Island. We're now coming up into the Ronnie entrance area, and we'll be coming over this coast shortly, and then on to Mount Rex and over the mainland proper.
Yeah. How big are the icebergs? It's hard to tell from up here. I mean, what kind of size can they be?
The ones that we've been seeing have been up to 1 kilometer or 2 across. Again, the scale is difficult from altitude.
Yeah.
There was an iceberg about like 100 kilometers across.
Yeah.
The iceberg that would break off an ice shelf. Those happen only every few years, though. Yeah.
Apart from your base at the Patriot Hills, what else is around this area here? Any other settlement?
The next closest people would be at one of the scientific bases, either out on the coast or South Pole Station. At least 600 miles to the next closest humans from Patriot Hills.
We have arrived at the emptiest continent on Earth. No one lives here. An area 1.5 times that of the USA is temporary home to some 3,000 scientists. The mountaineers catch a distant glimpse of their goal, Mount Vinson, 16,000 feet, the highest point in Antarctica. But the collective pulse really starts to quicken when the Patriot Hills rise toward us. These are the tips of mountains submerged beneath an ice cap 15 million years old, and in places 3 miles thick. For Bruce, this is the most testing moment. He must put down a 4-engined fixed-wheel aircraft on blue ice without using brakes. Everyone cheers madly because everyone knows what a risk we've just taken. If anything had gone wrong, there are no emergency vehicles of any kind to help us here.